it's Ava, and today we're actually going to be having a guest in our video. Our first guest ever on our channel.
Yay!
And this is Demi.
Hello!
And we're doing her makeup, and we're doing party makeup. So
because it's New Year's Eve.
It is, and this is going to be a look that you can wear to any type of party. It doesn't have to be a New Year's Eve party, but it just happens to be New Year's Eve today, so what luck? All right, so first I'd like to mention that she already has washed her face and moisturized, but just so we can make sure she's double moisturized, we're gonna use this face spray. Oh, it's a little, that's not, and this is by Mario Badescu. I probably just butchered the last name, but I'm so sorry. All right, so
nice
first,
vocab, butchered.
So first I am going to spray this. It says lightly mist over the face and neck as needed. So close your eyes. Okay, so now you are
so good.
double moisturized. I know, doesn't it?
I know, I love it.
And it has and this is the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And you know, I really like this product because there's multiple sizes, and they're all very affordable. Like I think this was $7 and it's lasted me for like a month almost. So it's really amazing. And next we are going to be putting on primer, so just maybe pat that in a little bit. And we're using this primer today from Smashbox, and it is the Photofinish primer, as you can see. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of do a drop on each cheek, forehead, nose, chin. And then you can blend that out a little more on your chin. Oh no, I didn't get it on your chin, and then just on your nose a little bit. Okay.
Do you want me to blend it out?
Yeah, blend it out with your fingers. And honestly, with primer especially, you should use your fingers because of the warmth. It's gonna make it blend in your face a little bit better. Like that's just a tip I've always used to make my makeup last the longest. And now we're going to be using foundation, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to actually start out with a little bit of concealer. So we're going to use a cream concealer. You can use any concealer you would like. Yeah, your skin looks pretty even, so I think we're going to move to foundation, and we're going to maybe add a little bit of concealer again afterwards. There's the foundation. Okay. So same thing kind of with the with the primer. We're just going to do a drop on each of her cheeks, but this time we're actually going to blend it out with a blender. This beauty blender, just to make sure that do you want it to be like more full coverage? I could do more or less depending on how you want the coverage to look.
It's up to you.
I'm going to move your hair a little bit so I can, sorry. This is a perfect color for your skin.
Blend that?
Yes, I did.
Okay, awesome.
I didn't put much up there. And I'm using this blush. It's from the Balm. It's called Balm Springs. And it's just like a cute little peachy blush. And I got it actually in an Ipsy bag. Smile. Just a light blush. See me? And now is for the best part, the highlighter. So we're using two highlighters today. We're using a cream highlighter followed by a powder highlighter. And you can use just one highlighter or two highlighters, whatever you like. I'm just using two just for the most on camera glow. And so what we're gonna do for the cream, we're just gonna do a kind of light because this is kind of just like almost a highlighting primer. And then just on the brim of the nose.
I love nose highlighter.
It's so pretty. So next we're gonna be using, and we are gonna of course set her entire face later, but that doesn't need to be baked. Just a bit under the eyes. And I'm gonna go over the highlighter one more time later after the entire look is over. Because even though your eyes don't really need to be baked, it does help from fallout, which is always really good. Because if there's any fallout on the eyeshadow, what it does is because there's already powder there, when you wipe away all the powder, this powder, it's going to wipe away the other powder too, and that always is really helpful. So first we're going to put on some eyeshadow primer. And this is one, and it's by Urban Decay. We're just gonna do it right on the eyelid. And then can you just dab that on?
Is that one good?
It is. And then just maybe a little bit above the eye cheek, just kind of all the way. And then we're gonna be using an eyeshadow palette. I've actually used in past videos before. You might remember the Sweet Peach palette.
I just bought it. I love it.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this really big, ooh, isn't that exciting? This really big fluffy brush, just kind of use this nice light color called Georgia. And it's just gonna kind of set the primer, because you should always set your eyeshadow primer. It makes your eyeshadow last the longest it possibly could, and just makes your overall look amazing, even though it already will be. And we're gonna use this dark color called Charmed, I'm sure. We're just kind of lightly going to shade the top of her eye with it. Just give some depth. And now we're using this little color, it's called Puree. It's another color of the brown family in the outside corner of her eye. And now this palette I really like. You know why? Because it has different color family. That has the peaches, of course, but it also has like browns and whites and has some really nice color you could use.
It also smells like peaches.
It does. Peaches. Okay, and then right on her lid, since we are using eye glitters, look at me. It looks good.
Thank you.
We're going to just use a little bit, same thing with eyeliner brush, but just a little bit of this color called Blush, which is a beautiful shimmer.
My favorite one.
Okay, so that's it for the Sweet Peach palette. Next, we're going on to these really beautiful eye glitters. And I use this by Stila. It's called Diamond Dust. And I'm just going to use my pinky. You just close your eyes for like a minute, though, during this. So
Okay.
I'm just going to warn you. Just going to dab it on.
Did you use this the other night?
No, I was saving this one for New Year's Eve.
Because I loved your eyeshadow the other night.
Thank you. And you guys, do you have any ideas for future videos? Maybe some different eyeshadow look ideas or some different look ideas? Please let me know down below, because your ideas are like really what helps me make my videos. So
Smoky eye.
Okay. That will be a future video. Thank you
Not
for that
on me,
suggestion. Okay. On someone else?
No, I mean not tonight.
Oh,
I'd love to be featured again.
Yes, just not tonight because take up all the makeup. Okay, so now it's just going to dry for 1 quick second. And I think you can open. Yeah, open.
Look at this baking. Oh, my eyes are so glittery.
So, do you like it or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now we're going to do a little bit of eyeliner. Where did it go? This is the eyeliner. Okay, close your eyes again. Sorry.
Do you need me to face you more?
No, open.
Where should I look?
It looks good. Close your eyes. Open. Look up. Kind of smudge it a little bit on the open. Close. Okay. Looks good. So now we have to add, now we're gonna, before we put any mascara or anything on, we are going to brush off this baking powder. Okay, so move your hair. How do you think it looks?
Beautiful.
Okay, so now we are going next to do her eyebrows. So we're using 2 Benefit products actually in this video. Now where did the pencil go?
I'm right here. Sorry.
Oh, okay, so then.
Is that the pencil?
Yes, so this is the pencil. And first what we're gonna do is we are going just kind of fill it in a little bit. Just to go over, just brush this a little bit. And then we're just gonna use, it's like this 24-hour setting gel. And it just kind of sets, oh, this isn't setting gel. Oh, this is a different one. Oh, I love this stuff. It's the brow tones. It makes her eyebrows like 3D. It's so cool. I use the setting gel, I have it, and it's really good. And this stuff is basically the same thing, except for it creates a different dimension of your eyebrows. I did a little bit of bold brows, but that's okay. It's New Year's Eve. So now, then we have to curl your eyelashes.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you curl your own, but
Can I do it in this mirror? Do I have
of
to be in
course,
the video?
no, you can curl your eyelash. Okay, so now she put her mascara on. It looks great.
Thank you.
And we are going to do the absolute final step, which is lipstick. Before, we're gonna set it with setting spray, and then we're gonna do the just powder after lipstick. We're gonna powder her lips too. Okay. So first, we're gonna put. You already have your lip balm on, right? So we're going to first put some lip liner on her.
Sorry, it's not very short.
It's okay. Here, I'm just gonna move a little more towards you.
Your freckles are really pretty.
Thank you.
What do you want me to do with my lips?
Can you like open your mouth a little bit? Sorry.
No problem.
Okay. And now we are going to actually decide right here on camera which lipstick we're wearing. So we have 2 options. We can use either a matte Kylie lipstick or we can use a brand new. So I think we're gonna decide on the Kylie because it has some more benefits of long wear.
What do you want me to do with my lips?
Go. Go like that. Don't worry, I'm going to clean it up a little bit with a tissue. Okay, looks good.
Sometimes
Now-
Kylie gets on my teeth.
Got a little bit on your cheek.
Ooh, cute.
So now for our final step, setting powder. And now we're not doing crazy baking or anything. This is just going to be some light over the face to make it last all night long. And if she fell asleep with it on even, it would still be on tomorrow. Setting powder. And this is just translucent. It has no color. And it's okay if it gets on your lips because it's just going to make it more matte. Okay. And now you are done. Thank you so much.
Wait, that one part. I just wanted you guys to see the final look.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, Ava. I love it.
Thank you so much, and I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please comment ideas. I love your ideas. And I enjoyed that you all love my videos, so thank you so much. All right, thank you. Bye.